Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today we are going to review a monitor. Okay, now you may ask, but Pasta, didn't you already have a couple of monitors? Yes,
I mean, it's alright, like.
they gave me an offer I could not refuse. Also, it's cheaper than a single Mac wheel by a lot. Gotta admit, LG has really put in a good quality stand over here, especially for the price. So apparently it's pretty easy to put up to, so we just have to put this right here and then slowly screw this with our fingers like this. And we're ready to go. Oops. Whew. And prop it up. Voila! We just have a monitor to ourselves. And we will just take a look at the ports. So it has a display port in HDMI and headphone out and a DC power in. Also it has an option for VESA mount. So if you have a monitor like this, you can just put them in a VESA mount and use them both, you see. And it's adjustable by one finger like this. Also, I have one more thing to tell, and boom, TikTok mode. Now it's time for some panel review. Now this 24-inch monitor is an IPS panel as opposed to a VN panel, which means it has better colors and better viewing angles. But the VN panel has better and deeper blacks, which this cannot produce. I mean, it has 1 to 1000 contrast ratio, which is not bad. You will not find that this picture quality is lacking in every way, but still it's less than a VN panel. But I don't think at this price you can complain about that. And actually it gives 99% sRGB coverage, so it's very color accurate too. This is a 144 Hz display, meaning that this display refreshes 144 times per second. This may sound like a lot to the uninitiated, but trust me, this is not the highest even by a long shot. However, if you have never had the fortune to see any display higher than 60Hz, then this will definitely be a huge upgrade for you. This will be decent enough for first-person shooters. However, higher refresh rate is always better in competitive games. Now, it is a huge jump from 60 to 144Hz, then a big jump to 240Hz, then an okay jump to 360Hz, and so on. This particular monitor has a refresh rate of 1 millisecond, which is pretty good. Even if a monitor has a very high refresh rate but does not have a fast response time, then you would see the after images of the moving object, which is pretty bad, especially for competitive games. In this monitor, you can select multiple response times. This is currently running at the fast response mode. However, you would not believe how bad a bad response time is until I show you my quote unquote gaming laptop's display. You see, this is what I was talking about. This is how bad it can get. So, all in all, this is really an excellent choice if you get it for the price that I got it for. Even if you don't get this monitor for the same price, it's still not a bad choice and does get the job done. Although at the original price, the competitors would offer great value too. This monitor is great if your PC cannot handle 1440p or 4K.